We have some thunderstorms, and we have a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings right now. One that will expire at 6:30, and then another one that just got now issued till 7:15. That one is for Atlantic, Cape May, Cumberland, and Salem counties. The other one is going to be for Atlantic, Camden, Cumberland, and Gloucester counties. That's going to be on the northern end. Two different cells. I do want to talk about a couple of storm reports that we had. One right across Salem. This is going to be in Woodstown. Multiple reports of trees down, power lines down across the county. Salem County right now looking at thunderstorm wind damage estimated over 65 to 70 miles per hour. Now, those are the warnings that we have. As you notice, Philadelphia not in any storms, but we do have a little cell non-severe just to the south from Wilmington all the way up 95 as you make your way closer to the city of Philadelphia. Again, we're going to watch very carefully back in these storms between Winslow and Benavista right across 322. That's where the heaviest rain and wind is right now. This is the more powerful storm by Fairton back toward Bridgeton and Deerfield and Stowe Creek. So if you're underneath this, especially Salem County, you want to make sure you're inside. There's plenty of lightning with this. And treat it like, well, it is a severe thunderstorm warning. Again, with winds over 65 to 70 miles per hour and damage already reported with this storm, we're treating this very seriously. Also, from Lancaster all the way up toward just past Allentown, I should say, we're watching for this next line of storms. If it becomes severe across Philadelphia, we'll, of course, let you know. Meantime, everybody underneath a severe thunderstorm watch until 9 p.m. And that really means we're right for these conditions to come in and give us those chances of heavy rain, gusty winds, and even some small hail. Now, it's all along a front, and where that front has passed, look how cool it is. Mount Pocono, 71 degrees. Meantime, where the front hasn't even gotten close yet, we're still in the upper 80s to around 90 across the Jersey Shore. Storm impacts today. Heavy rain, of course, damaging winds, which we've already seen. And while the tornado threat and the hail threat is low, it's not zero, but it does not look like these are going to be tornadic thunderstorms, not along this front. Once we get to about 7, 8 o'clock, we're going to see the storms really approach the Jersey Shore, and then that's it. My friends, we're talking about a northwesterly flow coming in and really helping to cool us down. You'll notice the difference with sunny skies on Sunday morning. It's not going to be oppressively hot. It's just going to be warm, and it's going to be actually a little unseasonably warm. Average high this time of year should be close to 90. We will be in the lower 80s on Sunday, and we'll take that into the week ahead. 65 tonight. We're watching showers and thunderstorms, late clearing. 83 tomorrow. Plenty of sunshine. Now, we will see some late night cloud cover Sunday night and into your Monday. There could be an early shower Monday, but after that, look at the 7-day plan. Tuesday and Wednesday and even most of Thursday. Mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies, dry, comfortable. Will increase the chance for rain, though, by late Thursday into Friday. But even then, those temperatures stay in check all the way through the end of next week and next weekend.